birthday party has been moved to today. Next we have... What do you mean the party's today? His birthday's not till next week!
And happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Birthday, wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. And don't forget to pray to God. Give thanks. Thank you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan ng inyong health. I love you.
Damdamin na sa'yo'y nararamdaman. Kung di mo alam, puso'y di mapalagay pag di ka namamasdan. O bakit ganyan? At maging sa'king pagtulog, laging alaala ka. Nais makapiling, nais makayakap sa tuwina.
Happy birthday, Mother. Praying for always in good health and in good mood always. Love you, Ma. Thanks. Happy 76th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy. I love you.
Ma, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health and I love you.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Ma. Surprise you ka man, no? So anyway, thank you for everything, Ma. Salamat sa pag-guide sa mua. O salamat sa tanang assistant imong gihatag namo. I know and you know kung unsa ka ka-importante sa amoa. So, happy birthday. Ang wish lang yun namo is good health para makauban pa ka namo nga mas dugay pa o ma-enjoy nato ang ato ang family. Happy birthday. Love you.
Oh, happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, La. Wish you more birthdays. Miss you. Love you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! I'm wishing you good health all the time and of course, guidance from our Almighty. And also, protection as well. Thank you for being there all the time. I wish you all the best and be happy always. I love you so much. Bye!
Hi, happy birthday. Wish lang ako sa mga is taas pa na kinabuhi and more blessings pa kay Lord. Walang tula. Thank you.
Hi La! Happy birthday! I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa birthday surprise na mong gi-prepare para sa mga pangadlaw. Maula to La! Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, La.
Hi, La! Happy 76th birthday! La, I'm very grateful na ikaw ako na lola because ikaw na gano'n pinaka-sweet, ikaw na gano'n pinaka-caring na lola ever. Like, every time mag-uli mi daha sa panakan, pagmulakaw sila mama, kaya nailakaw outside Davao, and everything, mag-magsiwi doon sa balay. Grabe, halos pakanon na namin yung tanan, and everything. La, thank you for being such a caring person. Thank you kay sa pagpalangga sa tanan nimong apo. Thank you kaayo la for being through the ups and downs sa akong family. Salamat kay sa pag-help and salamat kay for guiding us la. Thank you for praying for us sa imong family every night. Kinaapil din mo sa imong rosary la. And also us la, ginapil ko ka na mo sa rosary la for wishing you long life with us and also a happy life and more travels to come for you la. Thank you so much la. Bye bye. Happy birthday.
Hi La, happy birthday. I love you so much and I wish you the very best. Ayaw na, sige pa stress. That's all. I love you La.
Advance happy birthday La. I hope you enjoy your advance birthday party and I just want to say thank you for your endless love, support, and wisdom and the joy you bring to our lives. Also, I pray you live a long life and wishing you more years of happiness and good health. I love you so much La.
Birthday La. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Lola. We wish you and more birthdays to come, good health, and be happy. Hello.
Happy birthday Lola nila. Gawin mo happy birthday Lola. Happy birthday Lola. We love you.
Ang puso na sa'yo'y nagmahal. Tawag ng aking damdamin ay ikaw at walang iba. Ang lahat-lahat sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Puso'y huwag paluluhain. Ang pagsamo ko'y dinggin. Tunay na tunay, mahal ka sa akin. Dahil sa'yo, ang puso kong ito ay natutong magmahal. Sadya bang ganyan?